Good morning. This is Cecil with Cecil Motors on the hill in Kerrville, Texas. I wanted to show you what we have. It's a 2019 3500 diesel 4x4 long bed Chevy Silverado. It's a real beauty. It has 41,000 miles. We have the wheel well covers, which do not come with it. Of course, it was an added expense by the owner. Great looking tires. Little 4x4. Like I said, it's a long bed. Has its own assist steps. Pretty much ready for this thing to just start it and go to work. More of the front wheel wells. And what this trade has is a great bumper. Now, these are what they call the replacement bumpers. So it's not going to be plastic or aluminum. This is hard metal. You hit something, it's going to feel it. Hopefully the truck does not feel it. Nice, isn't it? And as you can see, it is an Allison transmission, a Duramax 2019. Give me a call at 830-257-6121. Ask for Cecilia, and let's see if we can put you in this 1 ton today. Thank you, and I can't wait to hear from you guys.